Hello friends, welcome back to Thoughtful Savvy Mom. My name is Gigi, and in today's video I am going to share with you how I diffuse my hair. I was going to record me adding my products to my hair to share with you. Unfortunately, my husband wanted to get ready, and so I was not able to capture those moments. However, I will tell you that here are how I keep all my products. I have been sticking to Not Your Mother's Curl Talk, and I am loving it. I have used to set my hair today. I used the cream followed by the gel. Then I used the Denman brush to help spread the product. Then I used the Denman brush with sections. Then I scrunched up the areas with my mousse. I did that all the way through my hair, and now I am diffusing my hair. And what I start doing at first is just hovering over my hair to basically target my roots for the most part. So I'll do that for a while. It's quite the arm workout, but it's not too bad. And I will follow this process for a few minutes. It takes about anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes. It just depends on how wet your hair is. Honestly, to be honest with you, I don't believe my hair was as wet as it should have been today. I guess by the time I did everything that I needed to do. But my hair still turned out great. So I'm just going to hover through and dry my hair. And I do have it in the highest setting with heat and the amount of air blowing out. It just helps with drying it faster. After about 7 minutes, I will start flipping to start drying the roots on the sides and on the back. So I will do that as well. I will hang on there for a few minutes and then switch over to the other side. A lot of movement. This blow dryer is great. It's not too heavy, and my arm did well. And just gonna keep doing it side to side and shifting, focusing on the roots. Now, some of the things you want to avoid when you are diffusing your hair is you don't want to start cupping your hair from the beginning, because your roots are going to be drier. Your ends are going to dry sooner than your roots. So you really want to dry your roots first. And if you notice, I'm also not letting the blow dryer touch my hair, because if I let it touch my hair, it is going to get frizzy. Now I'm going to start drying my hair with cupping it with the diffuser. And what I've done here is I ran it for a little while to cool off the machine. So I went ahead and ran it in the coldest setting, and I pressed the cold air boost to cool off the diffuser. And now I'm just holding it there for a little while to dry the hair. If you are new to my channel, this channel just launched and I am just so passionate about my curly hair and just curly hair in general, and promoting other curly girl and wavy girls to love their hair and take their hair to their best possible state. And you'll see in my previous videos, and I'll link them above in the cards, I had a very, very simple curly girl routine, and I have since then changed it, and I feel like it has just made such a big difference to my hair. And I have to tell you, my hair lasted me a week long without having to wash it. I did refinish it again. I did restyle it, which meant that I wet my hair entirely and just applied a little bit more product and then diffused it again. And my roots were not itching. It was so nice to see that I could just, wet my hair and do my hair all over again for a second time without having to wash it. Another thing that I've noticed that has helped a lot too is not using shampoo throughout all of my hair, just focusing on my root area. I'm going to go ahead and restart my procedure of drying all of the hair all around in the high setting, high heat, high speed. And then I will then do it again, cup the hair, but do like another round of this procedure here. So I thought I'd share that this is a new channel for me, but I also have another channel, and that one is called Thoughtful Savvy Mom. And on that channel, I share motherhood and lifestyle videos. I'm a mom to 3 girls, and I share many things just to help us moms and get some type of organization. I love cleaning, organizing, making lists, making printables. So that's what you'll get on my other channel. I'd love for you to go check it out. I will have it linked in the description box. But with all that said, if you are new to this channel, Thoughtful Savvy Mom Curly Chat, I would love for you to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Now, the interesting part about diffusing your hair is you just never know how the front is going to dry. So I try to just move my head side to side so that the roots are flexible so that when it comes time to style, I am able to move the hair easily without disturbing any of the curls. So I am doing that here, just moving my hair around, keeping it flexible and friendly to reposition when the time comes. Here I am cooling it off with the cold setting so that I don't burn my tips with the hot diffuser. And I'm going to go around my hair once again to dry it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about diffusing your hair. Here I was able to part it pretty easily and it's a done deal. It's not perfect, but the hair will mold. And it's not completely dry, but it is pretty dry. And I have to go to a meeting, so I had to really move it quickly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will subscribe and comment below to let me know you were here.